It's 1:30 p.m. of January 30 and nandito lang kami sa first stopover namin sa Shell Balagtas. So, order muna ako ng sisig for my late lunch and Auntie Anne's. I left Cavite at around 10:30 a.m. and then pinick up ko lang yung friends ko on the way. Etong trip na to pala guys is very spontaneous lang. Nakakita lang kami ng mga news sa Facebook na nagpa-frost sa Atok and yung lamig niya is below 5 degrees Celsius. So we wanted to experience that as well. And isa din sa bucket list ko maka-experience ng snow and yung extreme na lamig. So I thought mag-enjoy talaga ako sa trip na to. I also grew up in Tagaytay, so hindi na bago sa akin yung malamig. Pero syempre iba pa rin yung mga 5 degrees lower. Hindi naman nagaganon sa Tagaytay. So we arrived at Baguio at around 5 p.m. na ata. So we decided to get Starbucks coffee kasi medyo malayo pa yung biyahe. I think 1 to 2 hours pa. And wala pa akong tulog kasi fresh from night shift pa ako kaninang umaga nung nag-drive papuntang Baguio. So, pampawala lang ng antok. We need to arrive sa Atok before 9 p.m. kasi yung may hawak ng susi ay matutulog na. So, initially 8 p.m. lang. Sabi ko, nasa Baguio pa lang po kami na I don't think naabot kami ng 8 p.m. So, hindi na kami nag-dinner. Along the way, bumili lang kami ng isang bucket ng 5 stars. So, highly recommendable siya guys. Super mura lang pala nun and super anghang nung spicy chicken nila kasi nanunot hanggang laman yung pagka-spicy. Nakita ko lang tong accommodation namin sa Facebook kasi may listahan doon ng mga accredited lang na homestay. And super hirap makahanap guys. Lahat fully booked talaga. And itong Cherry Homestay is walkable distance lang sa Northern Blossom. So sa itinerary namin, yun yung uunahin namin pagkagising na pagkagising. Kasi mahaba din yung pila.
Wake up, stretching yawn. The sun is shining, a brand new dawn. Birds are singing a sweet melody. It's a beautiful day, just for you and me. Good morning, sunshine, how was your night? I hope you slept well and everything's alright. Let's start this day with a smile so bright and fill our hearts with joy and light. Let's go for a walk, feel the fresh air. Leave all our troubles and worries, they're not there. With every step, we'll find a new way to make this day a perfect day. Good morning, sunshine, how was your night? I hope you slept well and everything's alright. Let's start this day with a smile so bright and fill our hearts with joy and light. Good morning, sunshine, how was your night? I hope you slept well and everything's alright. Let's start this day with a smile so bright and fill our hearts with joy and light. Good morning, sunshine, how was your night? I hope you slept well and everything's alright. Let's start this day with a smile so bright and fill our hearts with joy and light.
Hello everyone, time check. It's already 11:39 and inayos lang namin yung gamit namin. Kasi pa-check out na kami ng 12. So, ito pala yung room. Good for 8 pack siya. Tapos, dito sa side na to yung may table. And then, meron silang lutuan. May mga gamit pang luto, pero walang sink. Yung sink sa labas. And then, yung bathroom is shared bathroom. So, ito yung mga dogs. Sorry kung medyo madumi pa kasi nagpapak pa kami ng gamit. Ayan. So, dito kami nag-stay sa Cherry May Homestay. May TV pala, pero parang hindi siya gumagana. And may Wi-Fi. We're going to highest point. The way to highest point with the doggos. Meow, meow, meow. This is my second time here. Yung first is nung 2018 pa. So, paunahan ng parking dito kasi street parking lang siya, guys. And kaya hindi na rin bumaba yung iba kong kasama para may tao sa kotse just in case paalisin kami dito sa gilid. Meron palang mga nagtitinda dito ng souvenir like ref magnet. Meron din nagtitinda ng kiniing at saka ng etag. Yun yung mga smoked meat ng Cordillera. Last time that I went here, parang wala pa tong view deck na to. So, I think kakagawa lang nito for the past 5 years. And, ayan, kitang-kita naman yung view. Medyo mahirap lang magpa-picture kasi marami ding tao, guys. Pipila lang kayo ng konti. After here, we're going to the Pride House. Pero hindi yung house yung nakuha naming accommodation, kundi yung tent area nila. Kasi as I said earlier, punuan na. And yun na yung last option talaga namin. Yung tinuro ng Waze na daan, nakakaloka, super duper tarik, and one car lang yung pwede dumaan, tapos ang hirap kapag may kasalubong kayo kasi parang bangin-bangin yung gilid. Pero super ganda ng view. Puro rice terraces yung makikita nyo, guys. Sige po, tignan ko lang kung mainit. Saan po pala ang CR pag ano po? Ah, meron po. Upon checking, malaki naman yung tent. Good for 2 packs and very spacious naman siya. Meron ding CR na common CR lang and then meron ding small sink. So, ang plan namin ay manood ng sunset sa Mount Olive. So, since maaga pa, around 2 p.m. ata kami dumating dito, we decided na maglaro muna ng cards para magpalipas ng oras.
Dapat pala hindi ako bumunot, no?
Hindi, ganun din. Talo din ako eh.
Sitting here where the sun sets low, golden rays painting skies aglow. Memories float like wisps of smoke, whispering tales from days ago. Each ray a story, every hue, echoes of laughter, tears too. The world slows down, time's a blur. In this moment I am new. Sunset glow, a time to let go. Nostalgia's touch, but don't you know? Hope is waiting just beyond the sky. Every ending starts a brand new life. Stars start twinkling
Hi guys, it's already 7:30. Maaga kami nagising kasi syempre maingay yung ibang tent. Pero hindi ako lumabas agad. So hindi ko napansin na yung sunrise pala is andito mismo sa harap namin. So ngayon, medyo mataas na siya pero maganda pa din. And umiinit na kagabi. Super duper lamig. Nag-pros yung naiwan naming t-shirt dito sa ibabaw ng tent. Tapos naghilamos ako ng mga 1 a.m. Parang magsusugat yung mga hands ko. Kaya super lamig. And naghilamos din ako maga. Tignan nyo yung ilong ko. So, sobrang pula. Kagabi pala, may comforter naman na provided. So, comforter, tapos nagsuot ako ng long sleeve, tapos t-shirt, saka to. Tapos yung towel ko, kasi nilalamig yung ears ko, ginamit ko yung towel for my head. And then, naka-gloves ako kasi, grabe, para talaga yung kamay ko yung pinupunterya ng lamig. And then, syempre, nakasaks ako and jogging pants. So, baka next time, pagbalik ko, yung mas makapal na jacket yung dalin ko. Kasi ang nipis-nipis ng long sleeve. So, kaya siguro hindi din naiinitan yung katawan ko kahit naka-flopper jacket kasi ganun. Sila kaysa naman, nakatulog naman sila ng maayos. Yung mga kumot, yung mga unan, para siyang basang-basa sa lamig. Kaya parang nonsense kahit maggumot ka kasi parang nga siyang basa, para siyang nilagay sa ref. Buti na lang yung mga dogs ko, hindi naman sila masyadong nilamig aside from Chichi. Si Chichi until now nilalamig pa din. And si Kesa, ito si Kesa. Very brave. Yan. Kesa. Ito si Chichi, pakita natin si Chichi. And si Chichi nilalamig pa din. Si Kap Kap, nakakainis kasi lagi niyang hinuhubad yung jacket niya. Ayan o. Around 9 a.m. we decided to pack our things and pumiyahe na pa uwi kasi dadaan pa kaming Baguio. So doon kami magba-brunch. Hindi din kasi na kami nakapag-breakfast na dito. And plan din namin dumaan ng Palengke. So sumilip po na kami dito sa Atok Market. Pero as per asking around, parang same lang naman yung price niya sa La Trinidad. And mas maraming pagpipilian doon. So we decided na doon na lang bumili. Dumaan kami ng La Trinidad Trading Post. So yung price niya same pa rin sa price nung bumili kami last year. So for isang pack, I think 300 pesos lang yung repolyo. Tapos, yung kamatis yung medyo mahal. Pero magagandang quality. Yan, 100 lang. Depende guys kung gaano kalalaki and gaano kaganda yung quality ng bibilihin yung mga gulay. So, dinamihan ko na for my dogs. And then after this, pupunta na kami ng Grumpy Joe. Dalawa pala yung branch ng Grumpy Joe. So, yung isa malapit sa Burnham Park. Doon pwede yung dogs. Ang problem lang is limited yung parking. So, ang tagal namin nag-antay doon. Wala kaming parking. So, lumipat kami dito sa kabilang branch. Hindi allowed yung pets kasi close yung dining area nila. So, ang ginawa namin is alternate na lang yung kakain para may kasama yung dogs doon sa waiting area. Yung default order namin yung spicy pesto and then yung 5 cheese pizza nila. And then after this, dumiretso na kami pauwi ng Manila and ng Cavite.